I'm right back at you. My name is Lord Yukili Osai. I know, sitting out here at the beach, and I'm talking about how to make this shift from third density Earth to fourth density Earth, and some of the dense things in your life that you have to shed if you want to make this shift. So, I was speaking about how you gotta let go of you gotta clear out your cell phone from all density in your cell phone. You might got a cousin that you love, but you don't speak to the cousin. You haven't spoke to that cousin in 6 months, but that cousin is still, a contact in your cell phone. All right, you ain't spoke to this cousin in 6 months. They still in your cell phone. You don't really communicate with this person, and every time you communicate with this person is got problems. Always got a bad vibration, a bad energy. You know what I'm saying? Always gossiping about somebody, or always talking about some sick shit. I gotta go to the hospital. I'm sick with this. I gotta go. That's density. That shit is taking up space and it's holding you back from making this shift. You know what I'm saying? You gotta delete people like that from your life. You gotta literally say, all right, I am no longer gonna hold on to this person. Delete. So I just recently went through my phone and was like, delete, delete, delete. I deleted like so many different people. It's only like 3 people. It's 5 people in my call log. I deleted all of the call logs, period. Every time I make a phone call, I delete it out the call log. I deleted messages. Why are you holding on to the messages? Let go of the messages. Let go of, you got to let go and let God. How could you step into your God body? You know what I'm saying? How could you step into your higher self when yet you still holding on to this dense shit? So, you got to go into your cell phone. You got to let go of, you got to go into your mind. You got to let go of different memories in your mind. You know what I'm saying? You got to let go of past hurts and past, misfortunes. And you got to let go of all of that shit if you want to make this shift right now. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be a new person, a new being. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you got any bad habits, you got to let go of that. If you definitely have to let go of that if you want to come into this new earth.
In the November 1967 issue of Science Digest, an article appeared by James R. Barrie entitled, "How to Walk on the Moon." In it, Mr. Barrie predicted that men would be able to make 14-foot slow-motion leaps, perform backflips, and other gymnastics just like professionals, and be able to easily move up ladders and poles with their arms, not even having to use their feet. Another prediction was given in 1969 by the writers of U.S. News and World Report in an article entitled, "U.S. on the Moon, Look It Up." And they said, with gravity on the moon only 1/6 as strong as it is on Earth, a home run hitter in a lunar baseball game could drive a ball well over half a mile. A golfer's drive from the tee would sail clear over the horizon, out of sight. You wouldn't be able to see where it landed, even if you wanted to. See, the height an object will rise in a gravitational field, ladies and gentlemen, depends upon its initial velocity. And if an object had the same initial velocity in 1/6 gravity as it had on Earth, it would rise 6 times as high. If the initial velocity of the object were doubled over its Earth velocity, it would rise 24 times as high, and if tripled, it would rise 54 times the Earth height. Imagine the golf tournaments in such an atmosphere.